I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2L wine.
It's a slow Saturday morning, the kind that forces you to slow down when you have no plans, even if your mind hasn't quite caught up yet after a busy week. There's something grounded in baking, the simple act of it. Mixing, waiting, shaping. It reminds me that not everything has to happen fast to be worthwhile. And sometimes, no matter how hard you try, things simply don't work out the way you wanted them to. Lately, I've been thinking about time, about what happens when it doesn't go your way. This is a journal about time. About when things don't go your way, when your body quietly gives up on you, or simply asks for rest that you don't want to give. Lately, I've been caught in that strange rhythm, where my to-do list never really ends, it just migrates. The same list, rewritten, reworded, copied over month after month, like a silent promise that this time I'll get through it. But I never do. Not because I'm lazy, not because I don't care, but because life keeps adding more lines to the page faster than I can tick them off. And still somehow I convince myself I'm failing. Last week at work, I was so close. My inbox looked better than it had in months. Projects were finally moving, and I thought maybe I'm catching up. And then my body stopped me. At first I was bitter. I told myself it was just an excuse, some stomach cramps. My body was just being too dramatic. I had things to do, deadlines to meet, people depending on me. But pain doesn't negotiate. It doesn't wait until Saturday. It doesn't care how long your to-do list is. It whispers first. A little ache, a cramp, a restless night. And when you ignore it, it learns to shout. And that's what it did. It forced me to stop, to notice, to listen. It wasn't just physical pain. It was the weight of pressure, the accumulation of not enough that I've been quietly carrying for months. Sometimes, things happen at the wrong time for us, but maybe the right time for something else. Maybe my body didn't betray me. Maybe it saved me. Because if I had kept going, pushing through for 3 more days just to finish the list, I wouldn't have found rest. Only exhaustion disguised as productivity. And I think that's something we all do. We see rest as something to earn, as a reward at the end of the list, instead of the pause that keeps the music playing. It doesn't always have to be physical either. Sometimes it's mental. Those days when motivation just disappears. When you wake up and everything feels heavier than it should. No podcast, no cold shower, no new outfit can fix that. And that's okay, because maybe it's not a bad day. Maybe it's just your body asking for a break. If it happens every day, it's worth exploring deeper. But if it's just one of those moments, maybe it's just your system recalibrating. Maybe your mind is saying, I need a moment to catch up with your expectations. I've been meaning to do this for a very long time. Well, we've only done it when we moved, and even then we haven't done it properly. I wanted to defrost the fridge and the freezer because it was full of ice. And I'm looking at Daisy because she's trying to eat something. Okay, so you're so wet. So we're doing it now because someone pressed the button yesterday by mistake, either me or my partner, no idea. But it turned it off, so it's almost empty. Let's empty it out and let's clean it. Our bodies are so intelligent. Every hormone, every breath, every heartbeat responds to the smallest flicker of emotion. When you panic, it's not just in your head. Your body reads your fear in your pulse and adjusts your breathing to match. It listens before you do. And when you finally slow down, lay your head on a pillow, hear your heartbeat echo through your ears, that's your body reminding you, I've been here all along. It's not betraying you, it's trying to keep you alive. Trying to balance what your mind demands with what your soul can sustain. So if you're listening to this and you feel tired, like you've been running in circles with the same unfinished list for months, pause. Not because you've earned it, but because you need it. Time isn't always linear. Progress isn't always visible. And healing doesn't always happen when it's convenient. Sometimes the delay is the direction. So maybe this is what time is trying to teach me. That slowing down doesn't mean giving up. And that rest can be its own kind of progress. It's strange how often we chase control, only to realize peace was there all along. In the quiet mornings, in the space between one breath and the next. Lately, I've been learning that my body and time aren't against me. They're just asking me to listen differently. And I wonder if you felt that too. Those days when you want to keep going, but your body whispers, please stop. Or when your plans fall apart, but somehow something softer takes their place. If you've been there, recently or often, I'd love to hear how you make peace with it. Do you fight it? Do you let it unfold? What helps you remember that it's okay to pause? You can share it in the comments. I always read them. And maybe, through all our different stories, we'll start to see that slowing down isn't something to apologize for. It's something we can learn from, together.